Ever been locked out of your own money? That heart-stopping moment when your card gets declined, and you realize it's not a balance issue, but something more frustrating, a block. Specifically, a Lloyds Bank card. Your mind races. Did I enter the wrong PIN too many times? Was there a suspicious transaction? And then the most pressing question pops up. Can I unblock my Lloyds Bank card online? It's a scenario many of us have faced. You're at the checkout, perhaps enjoying a much-needed shopping spree, or maybe just grabbing groceries, and suddenly, the familiar beep of rejection. The cashier gives you that sympathetic but slightly impatient look, and you're left scrambling. The first instinct for many in our increasingly digital world is to reach for their phone or laptop. We manage so much of our lives online now, banking included, so it stands to reason that unblocking a card should be just a few clicks away, right? Well, let's dive into the reality of unblocking your Lloyds Bank card. The good news is, for many common scenarios, you absolutely can take steps online to resolve the issue. Lloyds Bank, like most modern financial institutions, offers robust online and mobile banking platforms designed for convenience. Firstly, let's distinguish between different types of blocks. A temporary block, often initiated by you for security reasons, like misplacing your card, can usually be lifted quite easily. If you've frozen your card through the Lloyds Bank mobile app or online banking, you can typically unfreeze it with a simple toggle switch. This is incredibly useful if you just temporarily can't find your card and then later locate it. It gives you peace of mind without having to cancel the card entirely. However, if your card has been blocked due to suspicious activity, multiple incorrect PIN attempts, or a report of fraud, the process might be a little different and often requires a more direct interaction with the bank. While you might be able to see the block notification online, the actual unblocking process for these more serious security-related issues usually necessitates speaking to a customer service representative. This is for your own protection. The bank needs to verify your identity and ensure that the unblock request is legitimate and not an attempt by a fraudster. So, how do you navigate this? If you suspect your card is blocked, the very first place to check is your Lloyds Bank mobile app or online banking portal. Log in securely and look for any notifications or alerts related to your card. There's often a section specifically for managing your cards, where you can see their status. If you initiated a freeze, you'll find the option to unfreeze it there. If there's no immediate online solution, or if the block seems to be due to security concerns, the next step is to contact Lloyds Bank directly. Their customer service lines are equipped to handle these situations. Be prepared to answer some security questions to verify your identity. This might involve your date of birth, address, and potentially some recent transaction details. While the convenience of online banking is undeniable, there are still some scenarios where a human touch is necessary for security. Think of it as a protective measure rather than an inconvenience. It's the bank ensuring your funds are safe. So, yes, you can initiate some unblocking processes online, particularly for self-imposed temporary freezes. But for more serious security blocks, a quick call to Lloyds Bank will be your most effective solution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.